In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Vercel, a popular platform for deploying web applications. Whether you're looking to create a blog, a separate section for documentation, or just organize different parts of your web app, setting up a subdomain is a strategic way to improve your site's structure. Let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, we'll start at the Vercel dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll want to find your way to the project that you're hoping to attach your subdomain to. It could be any one of your current projects, perhaps the one where your blog will live, or maybe a section dedicated to updates or news. Once you're there, take a look at the navigation options available under that specific project. We're aiming to find the Settings panel, which is often situated conveniently on the project's dashboard. Within the Settings panel, you'll notice several options designed for fine-tuning your project's operation. Our focus today will be on domains, so you'll want to click on the Domains section. Sometimes, in the Settings tab, it's straightforwardly labeled as Domains, making it easy to locate. This section is essentially your control hub for managing all domain-related aspects of your project. Having a dedicated space like this allows Vercel users to easily connect, manage, and configure both primary domains and subdomains, which, as you're about to see, is super handy. After you're inside the Domains section, you should see a button or a link that says Add Domain. This is your gateway to bringing your subdomain to life. Clicking on this will present you with a text field or a prompt where you can type in the subdomain you wish to add. This could be something like blog.example.com, and while the specifics of your subdomain will, of course, depend on your current website domain, the process remains consistent. Remember to double-check the spelling and structure, since any typos here could lead to configuration issues down the line. And there you have it. Since we've now entered our desired subdomain, Vercel will handle the rest, making sure that everything is correctly aligned for your subdomain to be a functional part of your website. It's amazing how just a few clicks simplify what might otherwise seem daunting. Once your subdomain is set up, you can go on to customize, deploy, and manage this new section of your site just like any other part. You're now empowered to extend your website's functionality with ease, and your site visitors will enjoy a more organized web experience. Thanks for tuning in today. Go ahead and give it a try. Explore the possibilities, and as always, if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out and we'll tackle them together. Happy deploying!